In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a RAR archive with WinRAR. If you've ever needed to bundle several files together or make them easier to share, creating a RAR archive is a quick, reliable way to do it. All you'll need is WinRAR installed on your computer and your files ready to go. Once WinRAR is set up, the process is simple and takes just a moment. Start by opening the folder that contains the items you want to compress. This might be a set of documents, photos, or even an entire folder. Navigate to the exact location where those files are stored so you can see them all in one place. If everything you want to include is scattered, consider moving the items into a single folder first to make selection easier. Next, select the files you want to turn into a RAR archive. You can click one file, or hold Control to pick multiple individual items, or hold Shift to select a range. With your files highlighted, right-click on the selection. In the context menu that appears, hover over the WinRAR option and click Add to Archive. This opens the archive name and parameters window. Here, WinRAR suggests the name for your archive, usually based on what you selected. You can keep that or type a clearer name so it's easy to recognize later. By default, the archive format will be set to RAR, which is exactly what we want. The standard compression method works well for most cases, so there's no need to change anything unless you have a specific reason. When you're ready, click OK. WinRAR will begin compressing the files. You'll see a brief progress window that shows how the process is going. The time this takes depends on how many files you selected and how large they are. For a few small documents, it'll be almost instant. For larger folders, give it a moment to finish. Once the progress window closes, look back at the folder you started in. You'll see a new .rar file with the name you chose. That's your archive, containing all the selected files, neatly packaged. To confirm everything looks right, you can double-click the RAR file to open it in WinRAR and preview the contents without extracting. And that's it. Your files are now compressed into a single RAR archive. This makes them easier to store, upload, or share, while keeping the original files untouched. If you ever need to add or remove items later, you can create a new archive following these same steps. Thanks for watching and happy archiving.